Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with something exciting today. Now, Cheeky Studios is having a kit club. So it came wrapped up in this tissue paper, Cheeky Studio. So let's see what's in the kit club for the month of July. Okay, yay. Let's start with the papers. We'll put all that aside. So now there's 12 by 12 pattern papers or cardstock. Let's see what's in there. So I think she has a few left for July. So if you don't want to miss out, go check it out. I'll have all the information in the description box below. I think these, if I remember correctly, these are some close to my heart's pattern papers. Oh, they're pretty. Okay, let's go through them. So I have this, I love this like lilac color. And on this side is a bright green. Then this one is white with some green polka dots. And this one is white with some purple polka dots or lilac, which will coordinate. A yellow pattern paper. Ooh, that's like a turquoise. That is gorgeous. I love that. And then a pink flowers, and look at that blue. I love that blue flower. And this is some plus sign in a light aqua and plus signs in a pink. So we'll put it on the aqua. So those two could go together. And then you have that blue again that was on the back of this. So those two will coordinate, or those two will coordinate. So you have two pattern papers of each that will coordinate together. So those two will coordinate. Those two, either this side or this side will coordinate. I like that it's a different, it's a lighter shade of the same color. And then you have these two that will coordinate. Awesome. So no thinking. She did the thinking for us. Everything, you know, coordinates. And then we have two cardstock, one in yellow and one in this deep turquoise. Awesome. Okay, so we'll leave that open and we will look at the embellishments. So first, I'm going to look at this. This is from Amy Tangerine. It is a rotary phrase stamp. It has all the days of the week, and then it has a row of hearts. Oh, happy life, weekend, and celebrate. So yay, I'm going to be using that. Now, this is the Sweet Succulents ephemera pack. Okay, so let's, you know what? Let's do all stuff that's not Cheeky Studio, because now there's going to be stuff that's not all Cheeky Studio. So we'll do all that, and then we'll do the stuff that's all part of one kit. So we have the Vicky Bouton mixed media stickers. There's 59 pieces. It coordinates well with the pattern papers that we got. So all kinds of phrases. Got that. And then this is the memory planner from American Craft. There's 12 tabs. And this is what they say on them. So again, all the colors, the blue, the pink, the yellow, the green. Awesome. Now let's dive into the embellishments. So this collection here is called the Sweet Succulents, and this is the ephemera pack. So we'll open it up. I don't know how many pieces are in there, but it is jammed pack. And again, what I really like is that you have the different sizes. Oh, look at that. Could that coordinate any better? That's awesome. And then look at the green. I have to take the pattern papers out because you got to see how perfect this coordinates together. And then let's pick a bigger pink there so that you can actually see the color. There we go. Oh, that's not the one with the pink. This is the one with the pink. Look at that. Oh, I love it. And then, isn't there green? Green's on the back side of this one. This is No. Oh, green's over here. Oh, I've already done the green. Okay, so green, blue. Oh, I guess there's yellow. Is there yellow? Is there any yellow flowers? Let's see. There is some yellow in that. And yes, the tone coordinates. Yay. Love it. So a lot of the embellishments will coordinate with the pattern papers that we got. I'm just going to bring up a few here. I love these colors, like the lilac. It's quickly becoming one of my favorite colors. And then there's, like I said, there's different sizes, and then there's like leaf stuff so that you can tuck in when you make your embellishment clusters. So I'm going to move that to the side because I don't want to mix my ephemera packages, because I like to keep them separate, at least at the beginning. And then after a while, after I've used them for a few times, then I'm okay if they get all mixed up. But at the beginning, let's see if I have any flowers in here. No. Okay, so this I love. Because if you've been watching me for a while, you know that when I start embellishment clusters, I like my embellishment foundation. And these can be used as an embellishment foundation. There's all kinds of tags and circles, rectangles, all different sizes. Oh, there's flower clusters already done for you. There's a ton. Again, just I love those. They finish off an embellishment cluster and you really haven't had to do anything. So I love that. So all kinds. There is so many embellishments in a package. And if it's your first time to order from them, if you use the code Nicole Jones 911, you'll get 10% off your first order, which is awesome. I'm going to put this in there because I don't want them to mix up. Okay, so now let's open this up. They're all in little baggies, so if you take the top off, then you'll have a little baggie for your embellishments. I used to cut them off before I realized it was a little baggie. So here, oh, I love those arrows. And that flower coordinates with one of the flowers. And that green, and that one says sweet and my love. So cute. And now, these are some cut apart labels. Let's take them out so we don't have the glare of the plastic. Ooh, I'm glad we took them out. I took them out because there's way more than one. So this is some labels that you can cut apart. Love that. Cut apart circles. And I love, it says genuine, kind, lovely, grow, perfect. And then you have some flags. That's awesome. And those are great for embellishment foundations too, or finishing off an embellishment cluster. So there's that. And then last but not least, we have some sequins that coordinate with the collection. So you have some yellow in there, some greens, some pinks, I think, a little bit of purple because there's a little bit of lilac, and there's a whole bunch. Now, she sent me an extra thing that's not included in the kit club, but it's a new ephemera pack that's available. It's called Family First. So let's see. Let's open this up and see what's in there. I haven't opened it up yet. I just got my package yesterday, and I thought I would open it up with you guys. So from the title, I would imagine that it's all, you know, geared towards family. already. I'm loving that there's these squares, so I can use them for embellishment foundation. Oh, look at that little puppy. Isn't he cute? So we got some embellishment foundation, and then you just have some little people that can be, you know, like your family. Oh, these puppies are so cute. Family is happiness with a little kitty cat. Adorable. Another little kitty cat, another puppy. And then there's a bunch of stars because it's fun to be able to use stuff like that just to finish off some embellishment foundation. And again, in different sizes. And then you have hearts, because if you're talking about family, there's going to be, you know, hearts involved for sure. And again, a ton of it. Oh, look at that little baby. He's so cute with the little hair sticking up. I don't know if you can see that, but that's adorable. Oh, I hope there's more than one of that little baby, because he's adorable. I think that's my favorite one right there. I'm looking at that one and I'm kind of laughing because I'm a grandma. And I do wear my hair up like that though. I just don't have any gray hair yet. But that's cool. Oh, so that's so cute. There's all kinds of little embellishments. Adorable. And that's it. So this was the July kit. And like I said, I think she has a few left. So if you want to go check that out. And this is a new ephemera pack that she does have available. It is called, oops. It is called Family First. And I'll have everything in the description box below. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.